I'm James Swartz, managing attorney at Swartz and Swartz. So fireworks, despite their risks, are still widely available around the country. And in fact, they're often available to children as young as 16 years old. If you or someone you know has been injured by fireworks, you have to show that the fireworks themselves were defective in some way, or that the people handling the fireworks were negligent. In order to establish negligence in a fireworks case, you have to show a few things. First, that those responsible for the fireworks owed you a duty of care. Second, that they breached that duty of care. And finally, that that breach caused you injuries. So what does duty of care really mean in these circumstances? If the operators or users of the fireworks handle those fireworks in a negligent manner, for example, if they're directed towards a bystander or towards a crowd, causing injury, they may be held liable as well. So if you or someone you know has been injured by fireworks or other explosives, contact Swartz and Swartz.